day. Now, the first time we got our hands on the I-20, we did a little race from one end of Mumbai to another. And now that we've got a chance to play with the I-20 diesel, we decided why not up the stakes a little higher. And here is what we got.
Now, normally when people measure the distance between two cities, it's normally between the General Post Office in one to the General Post Office in another. So today, it's between Mumbai GPO to Pune GPO. And this right here is my weapon of choice.
As always, man, trust you to bring a duck to a cockfight. So while you're driving there, we're going the old-fashioned way. We're taking the train, my friend Sachin here and I, who's going to be recording the whole thing. So we're just going to cut straight through the landscape and we're going to be waiting for you at Pune GPO whenever you show up. Do you think we're going to win?
I have no idea.
I think we're going to win.
Do you know where the platform is?
No.
Now, while they're going to have to hoof it to the station and wait for their train, I'm already off. And with 90 horsepower on tap from this 1.4-litre CRDI engine, it's not really a slow start.
7:10, Deccan Express to Pune, platform 13.
Mumbai Pune Deccan Express will leave from platform number 13.
All Rohan has to do really is pretty much find his seat and take a seat. While I have to deal with morning traffic, stupid pedestrians, the occasional bullock cart, buses, the expressway, and I need to do something that Rohan wouldn't even imagine of doing on a trip like this. I need to stop for gas.
That was pretty unexpected. Like clockwork, 10 past 7 on the dot, we're moving. Nice going, Indian Railways.
And so, gas tank filled to the brim, we set off. Me in the I-20 and the kids by train. Now, you don't exactly think of Hyundais as mad cars, but the closest we've ever had to one was the previous Getz Prime, which, to put it simply, was mental. Now, the I-20 is closest in spirit to that car. I mean, it's got 220 Newton meters of torque. But 220 Newton meters of torque for a car of this size. That's a little like going to a bar and asking for a beer and getting a bottle of tequila instead, with some cocaine in it.
That's a fair amount of torque, alright, but still not as much as a train. And now that our train was moving, we were eating up the miles smoothly.
Now, speaking of smooth, that's exactly what this diesel engine is. Given that it's a CRDI from Hyundai, I have to confess, my expectations were a little lower. I expected something a little harsher. But this thing is refined, it's smooth. The power delivery is really straightforward, especially across the rev range. Even before the turbo kicks in, this thing just goes. Which is why you don't really feel the jerk of it when it actually does kick in. And now that I have the flawless, unending straights of the Mumbai-Pune Expressway in front of me, I can really find out how much juice this thing actually has.
And while Joel was hitting his highest speeds, we sadly were doing exactly the opposite.
We're at Karjat, so what's going to happen here is the next leg of the journey is all uphills. So they've needed to stop the train right now so they can add 2 engines at the back, sort of push it uphill to the next step. So we're going to be stuck here for a bit while they do that. So now all we can do is hope that Joel's got a flat tire or diarrhea or something. Or preferably both.
Sadly for them, I had neither. What I did have though was lots of torque. Now with 220 Newton meters of torque, I'm pretty sure I could give Rohan's train a helping hand. Now I know the I-20 is supposed to be this city car for city commuting, but with this kind of performance, it's a fantastic weekend warrior if you just want to pile the folks in and take off.
So now that we were moving again, we sat back and enjoyed the journey.
Pick a card, any card. Don't show it to me. Is this your card?
No.
What do you mean?
And maybe got a little bit bored.
Is this your card? Okay, this.
Rohan, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Meanwhile, I plowed on. Now, the i20 CRDI is actually a whole lot of fun. The biggest difference between this and the Getz Prime is that the chassis on this car can actually take all that power. That and the fact that it's loaded to the gills. You've got an iPod dock, you've got airbags, you've got climate control, you've got integrated stereo. Now really, I know we've come to expect all these things in the cars that we buy, but it's still really nice to see them there. But now the race was getting tight. I'd finished the expressway and would be hitting Pune city traffic. Okay, so after making it to Pune in what felt like record time, I am stuck in traffic. It's going to be really frustrating if it turns out that I lost this race because of the last 20 minutes. Rohan must be crushed. Bhai sahab, GPO कैसा जाना है?
GPO please.
Okay. I think I just saw a mail van. I think I'm going to follow it.
Here you go, boys and girls. Last leg.
Okay, so this is the GPO. There's no real sign of Rohan or Sachin, which proves conclusively that victory is sweet. I didn't really expect them to win though. It would have been kind of shameful.
So, foiled again by the mighty i20. I mean, not by much. Beat us fair and square, but only by a bit. Anyway,
But I like this car.
you like the car.
I really
Why?
do. Super engine, much better than the Punto or even the Fabia.
Better than the Punto. Those are
Better.
fighting words.
Better than the Punto.
Okay.
If you could fit this engine into the Punto,
You have the perfect car.
you got a winner.
This engine and the other
Another
car.
problem with this car is, it's not apparent, but I was going through the price list. It begins at 6.2 lakhs and go all the way to 7.9,
Which is steep, but consider what you're getting in this car. You're getting climate control, you're getting an iPod dock, you're getting
no,
ABS,
but that's the point.
airbags.
You're getting everything else, but 7.9 for the top end. So that's, in a city like Bombay, that's almost 9 lakhs on road.
Okay,
For
so
a car like this, I don't know.
Okay, so bottom line, is the
Buy
price
it in
a deal
Pune.
breaker or not?
Buy it in Pune.
Buy it in Pune and drive it down to Bombay.
Drive it down to Bombay.
Okay, fair enough.